In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a physical card on Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to expect on each screen, and a few helpful tips to make the process smooth from start to finish. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone. Make sure you're on the home screen. If you're not, just use the bottom menu to navigate there. This is your main dashboard, and it's the starting point for ordering your card. Look to the top right corner and tap the card's icon. This is where Revolut keeps all your existing cards and the tools to add a new one. On the card screen, select Add New, then choose Physical Card. This tells the app you want a tangible card mailed to you, not just a virtual card. You'll now see the available card options such as Standard, Premium, Metal, and sometimes Special Editions. Take a moment to browse the designs and any notes shown on screen. These options can differ in look and benefits, and some may have different fees. Pick the one you prefer, then tap Get Card to continue. Next, you'll be asked to create and confirm your card PIN. Choose a secure PIN that you can remember but others won't guess easily. Avoid obvious patterns or repeating digits. Enter it carefully twice to confirm. After that, you'll confirm your delivery address. Check every line for accuracy: street, apartment number, city, and postal code. If it's correct, select Use this address to proceed. If you see anything off, fix it before continuing so your card arrives without delays. Depending on your account, you may also need to verify your address. If prompted, simply follow the on-screen steps. Revolut will guide you through what's needed and let you know when it's confirmed. To finish, complete the order by choosing your payment method and paying for the card. You might see a summary with any applicable fees and delivery details, so review that before you proceed. Make sure your selected payment method has sufficient funds, then confirm the payment to place the order. Once that's done, your physical card will be shipped to your address. You'll typically see an estimated delivery time right in the app, and you can keep an eye on your notifications for updates. And that's it. You've successfully ordered a physical Revolut card. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to use your new card as soon as it arrives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.